Hey guys, what's up? So I got a couple of stuff from the Nykaa summer sale. I got them now. Some I got last week and some I got now because, well, I mean, I don't blame them. It's simply because, because of the lockdown, things are a bit slow, which is absolutely fine. So I just thought I'll share some of the stuff with you guys not some, all of the stuff that I got with you guys. So yeah, let's start. The first thing I got are these HP Bronson professional eyelashes. They seem very, very natural. They don't seem, very long. I mean, this is the kind of stuff I'm into. So yeah, and these are somewhere around 150 bucks. I think even originally they're not very expensive. So yeah, this is the first thing that I bought. Next thing I got is this Pack Lash Fixer, the eyelash adhesives. So basically, I used to have that tube one earlier and I never used to like it because, it's kind of messy to use it with that. And this is the one that comes with this tip like this, and you can just apply it on the eyelash and it makes life a lot easier and less messy. Also, you get two colors in this, like you get a white glue color and then you get this black one. And I mean, black one's gonna be a lot better simply because sometimes the white color kind of comes off like that, if you know what I mean. So this is gonna be a lot better. Currently I'm not wearing any makeup or no filters or anything like that, so yeah, just thought I'll share the collection with you guys. Didn't really get ready for this. Next thing I got is this ELF Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Now I've already used this since I got this about a week back, and these are what the colors, and like it's really cute hand size palette. And trust me, this palette is so pretty. It can literally go on your evening and daytime looks, and you can simply carry it in your bag because this is how tiny this palette is. This is for mere 350 rupees, guys. Like, it is a steal deal. Like, I had swatched them, so I'm just gonna do it once again. Like here, can you guys see how pigmented this palette is? Like, I'm not very great at swatching, but trust me, this palette is really pigmented. Very good and super affordable. And they have a lot of color range and stuff, but this color I personally like because it kind of goes with your evening and daytime looks, or wedding wear looks, all of that. So if you're going for a wedding or a vacation or anything, whenever this corona lockdown is done with, you can definitely just carry these palettes, tiny palettes like this. Moving on. Alright, so the next thing, I kind of went a little overboard with eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, I'm gonna share all the colors that I got. So I mean, I didn't buy all of them together. These are my older collection, but I thought I'll share with you guys if you guys want to just see the NK palettes. I mean, I think I have all the NK palettes now, most of them. I just don't have one, which is their mocha mix, because it's always out of stock, but mostly I think I have them all. So anyways, I'm going to show you the old ones also, if anyone of you interested in that, and I'll also tell you which ones I bought this time. Okay, before I just start showing you, because I'll just show you back to back, these are very affordable, very pigmented. They come in all different colors, so you can go as per your choice. They range somewhere around 350 to 400 rupees after discount. They're originally priced somewhere around 500 to 600. The bigger ones like this are 1500 originally, and they at discount I think I somewhere got it for 750 rupees or something. And trust me, they're super pigmented and they are mix of matte and glitter or shimmer colors, however you want to call it, and very nice. Now I'll just show you all the colors I got. Right, now first I'm showing you my older collection. So this is from the older collection. This is called Poison Apple, and these are the colors. Very pretty colors. Now it all depends on what kind of colors you guys want to go for. So this is those. This is the next one. It's called the Sugar Plum, and yet again very beautiful colors. Like, this is my personal favorite. I mean, this is not an everyday wear, definitely kind of a thing, but I mean, yeah, one or two colors maybe, but yeah, I love the colors in this. This is Sugar Plum. The next one is this called Under the Sea. Yet again very pretty. Love the colors in this as well. They're all very pigmented as well. Next is this Autumn Spice palette. This is now a very neutral shade palette. You guys can wear this for your everyday or for your evening wear. When you're going to weddings, this could be that one palette that you carry with you. So this is a very pretty one as well. This is for people who really like playing around with colors. Like, this is called the Birthday Cake, and they have all these funky colors. They have like glitters and they have mattes. So it's kind of fun palettes for somebody who likes playing with colors. All of these I already had from before, and from the previous collections there's only one mocha mix, as I said, which is the one that I don't have. And the moment it's in stock, I will buy that too, because I don't know why, I'm just obsessive buying disorder. Anyways, moving on to the ones that I bought this time. Alright, so again, these ones are also very theme based, very beautiful colors. This is Oh Honey. Again, this is something that you can carry off in your weddings or stuff like that when you're going to, evening weddings and stuff. So this is very pretty. Next is this Watermelon Splash. This is more of your reds and orange mix. I really love the matte colors in this, like they're very, very pretty. So that's Watermelon Splash. Next one is a green theme called Lucky Charm, and it has a mix of green and a little bit of blue, and this one is kind of like out of the family, so you can probably maybe use it as a transition shade. So yeah, that's the Lucky Charm. Again, one of my very favorites one, because I really like the color blue. Like I love this color. Look, I've already used it also. So yeah, this is Ocean Eyes. For somebody who really is into blues, can give this one a shot. Next is this one. This is the big palette. Now what I really liked about it, that it has all of these glitter shades, like all of these glitter shades, and they're very, very pigmented, and it has a bit of these mattes as well. To be honest with you, I was not that much intrigued for the mattes. I kind of bought it for these glitters. Like it literally has all the glitter shades. So if you buy like both of these palettes, this one and this one, I will show you the other one also, you kind of don't need anything else. You're kind of done with all the glitters. So these are all those glitter shades. It has green and yellows and oranges and all of whites as well, and then plum, all of that, and a bit of matte shades also. So that's the first one. So that was called Spiced Up. This is called Sugar Coat. This is the next one, and between the two, I really love this one. Look at the blue in this, and then this pink. Okay, now this pink was little broken. It was all over the place, so I had to fix it. As you guys can see, I have done a replacement request from Nykaa. Now let's see how that comes. So it even has red glitter. I mean, imagine that. It has a bit of this. The only thing that it doesn't have like a black glitter shade. But yeah, I mean, if you're looking for that, that's the only one that it doesn't have. Other than that, I think this pretty much covers up all your glitter shades, this one and the other one. One more thing that I bought, I completely forgot, is this Dot & Key skincare thing. I'll just show you that as well. This is the Dot & Key skincare lip plumping sleeping mask, vitamin C plus E. This is like big ass lip balm. It's 35 ml. I don't think so for my life I'm gonna buy end up buying another lip balm. This is what it looks like. I mean, just look at the packaging. It's like really, really cute, like this. I mean, it's the brand Dot & Key, and this is what the lip balm looks like. This is like really, really big for a lip balm. Like it's pretty big. Now this is one of the products that I got over a week, so I kind of like can give you guys the review immediately. Now firstly, this is too expensive for a lip balm. Alright, this is around 650 rupees, which is a lot for a lip balm. And usually I've been using the Juicy Chemistry lip balm, and it's like really, really good. Like I just need to use it once in the day and I'm done. Now this lip balm, it is bit tinted, like so, like not a lot, just a little bit tinted, and it has a bit of that berry smell in it. Like, I mean, it's a nice smell, but it has a bit of that, which I'm not a big fan of. Other than that, I mean, it's not really that moisturizing. It is not really that hydrating to the lips. And for somebody who's spending around 600-700 rupees on a lip mask and not getting the basics, is kind of not recommend this one. Like not enjoying it so far, but now that of course got it, I got to use it. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching.